If you're living with chronic fatigue or ME/CFS, you might be asking, is too much sleep a bad thing? Or perhaps you're wondering why you feel exhausted, even after long periods of rest, waking feeling unrefreshed no matter how much sleep you've had. So let's explore. A common clinical pattern that we see here at clinic is clients with complex fatigue who describe themselves as night owls. So they struggle to fall asleep before the early hours of the morning, and then they find it hard to stay asleep. In fact, their sleep cycle feels flipped, and they often find it easier to sleep into the day. And this isn't unusual in ME/CFS. In fact, research shows that disordered sleep architecture, poor sleep efficiency, and circadian rhythm disruption are hallmarks of the condition. The body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, regulates the natural rise and fall of cortisol and melatonin. And when this rhythm is out of balance, it can make sleep feel elusive and unrefreshing. This is where light exposure plays a powerful role. So gentle exposure to morning sunlight can help to reset this rhythm, promoting more restful sleep at night and better energy during the day. But we want to reassure you there is no pressure to immediately fall back into the perfect sleep routine. We understand that sleep can feel like a moving target, and this is something we work on with you gradually and compassionately. At the clinic, we explore a wide range of factors that may be affecting your sleep, including hormone balance by testing your cortisol and melatonin levels. Blood glucose regulation is also important because low blood glucose levels in the middle of the night can cause you to wake. Other factors that commonly disrupt sleep are stress and a maladaptive stress response, or histamine sensitivity, for example. Inflammatory pain is also a consideration, along with light and EMF exposure. Mouth breathing and snoring and body temperature regulation are some of the factors that may be interconnected and actually play a significant role in how well you sleep and how rested you feel when you wake. So, is too much sleep a bad thing? Well, not necessarily. Sleep is essential for recovery. It supports things such as our cognitive function, helps us to reduce inflammation. Sleep can also aid our DNA repair and help to regulate our metabolic balance, and even support our gut health. The key is not always how much sleep you're getting, but how you're sleeping, and whether your body is able to access the deep restorative sleep stages that it needs. So we're here to help you to understand your sleep patterns and support you in restoring balance step by step and at your own pace. For more insight and a detailed plan on how to improve your sleep patterns, do contact us here at the clinic for a free discovery call.